Hi friends, this is my pet birds. And in this video, I will show you my pet collections. I have African lovebirds and different colored finches. This is our first parrot, Miku.
This is Mittu, our second parrot. He will speak Assalamu alaikum and all. I will try to speak with him. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. You heard? Then this is look. Then he's this also is our lovebirds.
Being a bird lover and from my experience, I will share some tips in caring birds for laying eggs. We should place the bird's cage in natural environment for natural feel. Most of the birds seek comfort or attention from us, so we have to give maximum comfort while caring. Don't disturb the birds after laying eggs. Try to collect best breeds from the shop. My journey is never ending. Let's see in another video in Journey Steps. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Journey Details.